to another exciting tutorial. Today, we'll be diving into creating our footer section. But before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to never miss out on the latest tutorials. Now, we're going to look at our wireframe to see what sections we need to add to our footer. So we're going to add a logo and 3 sections. So let's start by creating a background, and then we're going to change the color. Now next, I'm going to add the logo, and I'm going to get that from our navbar. To do that, I need to unlock the frame. Then go to the navbar section, click on the logo, just copy it, go to the footer section, and then just paste it in. I'm going to change the background color to white so that it looks good. Next, I'm going to add a paragraph. Just create a text box, and then I'm going to change the font size. Now I'm going to use a plugin to add some dummy data. I'm going to use this one. Just add the number of words and then choose word. I'm going to increase the font size. To do that, first select the text, then go to the right side. In the text section, change the number to a smaller one or a bigger one to change the font size. Next, I'm going to change the font family to something that is easy to read. Next, I'm going to create the text areas for our links. The first one is for our title. The next one is going to be for the links. And I'm just going to duplicate the first one. To do that, select the first one, drag, press Alt, and then release, and that will duplicate the text area. To create the other two, I'm just going to duplicate the first one 2 more times. I'm going to add the name for our title. I'm going to quickly add some dummy links. I want to space out our links. To do that, go to the option on the right side in the text area and mess around with that. Now I'm going to style the title. I'm going to make it bold and add an underline. I'm going to change and quickly add the style for the other 2 titles. Now I'm just going to add some dummy data for the contact section. I'm just going to use a plugin. Just select address and then just copy and paste it in. Now I'm going to add some icons for our connect with us section. I'm going to use a plugin called Iconade, and I'm going to get the icons to add to this section. To use this plugin, just go to the search bar, type in the name of the icon you're looking for, and then just click on it. It will add it to the project. Now I'm going to add a gradient to the background of our footer. To do that, go to fill and select the gradient option, and then just mess around with this until you have a good gradient. And there you have it. This is sure to grab your client's attention. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone, and as always, don't forget to subscribe for more content like this.